box. Talking some more units. He's inside. He's got 2 knives. I've got customers in school. Hey, come out. Move, dude. Come out to me right now. Get down on your knees. 81. Hey, get down on your face. Fucking gun.
You see it?
Yeah.
Hey, let go.
Looks like it right pocket. Drop the gun.
Drop the gun now.
Hey, get off to the side.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
Get the hand out of your pocket now, sir. You get shot.
If you pull out a gun, we will shoot you.
You're gonna get shot. Drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun now, sir.
Hands up. Hey, you're not.
Let go.
4 Charlie 67 998. Let's get an ambulance started. Male black. Multiple gunshot wounds.
Put the knife down.
It's okay.
All right.
No.
Hey, stop or you're gonna get tased. Put the knife down. Put it down. Watch out! Put it down. Put the knife down. Dude, come on. Put it down. 19 shots fired. Put it, get down.
Joe.
Crossbar.
Down the drop. Get on the drop.
Driving, so hang up there.
Henry nor Henry.
Which one is that?
The white Toyota. There they are. They're there.
Hey, I'm hit. Shots fired.
No, call out. Hey, this is the police. Mr. Young, come out. Hey, you're gonna get shot. Oh, turn around. Hey, drop it. Don't move. Drop the knife. There you go. Hey, don't reach for your pocket. Don't reach for your pocket. Don't reach for your pocket.
What the fuck are you doing? Is this a joke? What are you doing? I'm on a Facebook video with my phone. What the hell are you doing?
Hey, back away. Drop the knife.
Are you fucking kidding?
My fucking knife's out of my heart.
Put the knife down.
Oh!
Put the knife down right now, Christian.
Stop. 22-27, shots fired, suspect down. Units code 3, Lieutenant Sergeant code 3, medics code 3. Clear the air, officer involved shooting.
Get back. What? Get back.
Stop it! I don't want to shoot you!
Don't then.
I don't want to shoot you!
I'm wrapping his neck. I got. These fucking knees.
Help! Get out! Stop! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh! Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired!
3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay, please come out. Shots fired. Todd, you good? Todd, you good?
Knife down!
Motherfucker!
Put
Come in here and
the
stop
knife
trap house.
down!
That's why I'm so fucking pissed. You ain't gonna be able to escalate this. I'll stole something from you.
Put the knife down,
Jim!
Put the knife down!
Come on, Jim!
Put the knife down!
Put that down!
Come on!
Drop the knife down! Drop it!
Put the knife down!
Drop the knife! Drop it! Come on.
Put the knife
Put
down!
it down!
Put the knife down!
Drop it!
Drop the knife!
Bro, what's going on? Alright. Bro.
Stop! Put down the gun! Go! 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 Put your hands on your fucking head! Put your hands on your head! Put your hands on the fucking head! Stop! 5-9 right away! 5-9 right away!
Come here, bud. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let go of him and back up! Let go of him! Miss!
Why not? Tell him to get the fuck out of the way!
Get out of the way! Now! Now! Get away from him! Miss! I'm not going to, but... Don't. Miss, get away. Get away. Get away! Get down! Get down! Get down now! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Please do not shoot my mom.
Get her out of the way!
I'm so sorry.
Get her out of the way now! No, 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 no! Put it down! Put it down!
God damn this guy.
Fucking, I don't know who he is. He's an imposter.
Stop, man.
Stop! Fucking imposter. Stop. Erika!
Stop, man.
Stop! Sorry, Tony!
Yeah, I can't see my red dot.
Stop, bro!
Hey, bro, listen.
Stop!
Stop it. Stop it.
Not even hurting anybody!
Hey, stop!
Stop it!
Stop it! Shots fired.
Hands up!
Hey,
Put your hands up!
hold up.
You're fine. You know me. I wouldn't do this if it wasn't what I think it is. If I'm wrong, tell me, please. Bro. Hands up! Stop. Hands up!
gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Michael.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Shots fired! Shots fired! Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop it!
Is it a gun?
Drop it! Drop it! Get out! Drop the knife! Shots fired. Give me units, please. We're in the middle of Ridge Road. I need the roadblock now. Drop it so I can help you. Drop.
Hey!
Where's the knife? Come on, let's go. Knives.
I got you, I'm right.
Drop me. Tourniquet, tourniquet.
Pop him! Pop him! Get the arm from underneath him and cock it!
Here. Right here. Me and Kurt.
Everybody else! Who's your shot?
Me and Kurt.
Unit 450 man at St. Peter and 16th Street, the suspect male, white, black shirt, green army pants. He's going in and out in the middle of the 16th, screaming at tons of aggressive. Wants to fight, now to right, don't give him money. Code 2 incident 2829, NRD 1313.
Hey, don't reach for anything. Move. Cross fire. Cross fire. Hey, stop.
Make sure you got the gun on you today. Alright? Kind of figured you probably got rid of it after we came by earlier. But, figured we should probably check just in case. You're lucky you didn't hit it in people. Ain't got no guns on you anywhere, right? Good sheriff, so I can see it was a big enough gun. No. There.
Yo! Whoa! Gun! Put it down! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come back! Watch the knife! Knife! Let go of the knife! Let go of the knife! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down!
Taser! Give me another taser! Tase!
Alright.
Shot fire! Shot fire! Move around! Move around!
Alright.
Turn around!